Honorable gathering, dear students, my friends and respected sir. Very good evening to all. I feel greatly honored and pleased to be the part of this occasion. First of all, let me thank Dabi sir for giving me an opportunity to present myself before you people. I am here to present my thoughts and ideas on one of the current big issues, importance of English. English. What is English? English is a language. English is a medium of communication and English has become a global language and yes, that's the only language that provides one a big platform to present his ideas and thoughts. That's the reason why everyone wants to learn it. Before joining these classes, I consulted some educated persons. Most of them advised me to join these classes fearlessly. You may be surprised with the word fearlessly, but I used it because there were also some persons who advised me not to join these English speaking classes. Then I asked him, why should I miss this golden opportunity? And they answered me that it will spoil your study and later on you will not be able to spend time for it. But then I thought about my future and then I joined these English speaking classes. I would like to thank my parents who motivated me to join these classes. I would like to thank sir again for giving me an opportunity to take a plunge into the world of the knowledge. The cricket lovers must be knowing the name, Rahul Dravid. He is called God of the offside because he plays very well at the offside and VVS Lakshman is called God of the leg side because he plays very well at the leg side. But they both are not called God of cricket. Only Sachin Tendulkar is called God of cricket. Why? Because he plays very well at all the sides. So my point is that it is not sufficient to have knowledge regarding only your field, but you must have good hold over English and some knowledge regarding all the subjects to progress and to survive in this modern generation. Before joining these classes, I thought sir will teach me some tenses and grammar topics, but I was completely wrong. I have learnt many new topics about which I didn't know even ABC of it. And yes, this helped me in my 12th grammar too. I secured about 70 marks in my second semester, which was fully descriptive. If I had prepared enough, I could have got more than that. I can say that because of these English speaking classes, I could pay my more attention towards my main subjects that are physics, chemistry and maths. In the middle of the year, I got a chance to visit a factory where my father serves. Then fortunately, I got a chance to have chat with the foreigner and then I talked with him in English. He was stunned to see an Indian boy coming from Gujarati medium education can speak English well and he gave me information about the machines too. As far as my thought is concerned, there are 4 modules of English. First, reading. Second, writing. Third, thinking. And fourth, the most important, speaking English. You can learn former 3 by your self-practice. But you need proper guidance to learn the speaking English. English is not a tough subject. Everyone can learn it very easily if he works very hard and very diligently. And yes, the material that sir has made is a superb material. There are innumerable and there are rare sentences to find. There are also dialogues at the railway station, at the bus station, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, with the stranger, on a phone call, with a friend. So it helps us in our routine life too. And tenses and grammar topics are also given in the beginning of the platform. So newcomers can learn it very easily. And in GD, we discussed on the topic given by sir. So it increased our speed of translating Gujarati sentences into English one. And it enhanced our vocabulary too. You people know that our Prime Minister delivers his public speech and extends his wishes on various festivals in English. So a person who knows English well can understand him. But what about the others? So I mean to say that if you can't understand what is your representative telling you, then how can you elect the representative of your choice? Today you can see the MBA, MCA, BE past persons not getting the job. What does it mean? It means that in the modern world, in the world of the competition, in the modern generation, you must have an extraordinary talent to survive and progress in this modern generation. And knowledge of English is a success mantra in this modern generation. A person without knowledge of English suffers a lot. He is mocked at, he is neglected, he is overlooked by all. He can't progress in his life. And he is never considered. And you know that you can learn subjects in Gujarati medium. Why? Because you know Gujarati very well. But if you are asked to learn the same in English, then you will have to suffer. If you don't know English very well. And all further studies are in English. So I don't want to suffer. That's why I joined these English speaking classes. The students will be thinking to get a good job after 4 to 5 years. But for that, they will have to pass through an interview and test too, which is completely going to be held in English. So you must have good hold over English. I personally request you to join these classes because it feels great to me when I speak English with my relatives and with my friends too. And please don't feel sadness in speaking English. Give encouragement to who speaks English and try to interact with him. You can take help of dictionary and you can watch English news and you can also read English newspaper in order to make your English better. Instead of wasting your time in watching films or gossiping, you should spare your time towards your study because it would be widely beneficial for you. And remember, there would be a time when a person without knowledge of English will be considered as an illiterate person. So please, don't underestimate English. Thank you for listening me quietly and peacefully. Thank you. Thank you.